guys, and today we're going to be playing the one, the only, the infamous Flappy Bird. And my high score is like really low, so don't be upset at what you see because I'm really bad at this. See what I mean? Let's do it again. My high score is 10. See? Now, if you guys are all gonna just like post your high scores in the comments, that would be really nice. You know, make me feel good about myself. Because I can't get a score higher than 2 for some odd reason. Oh, this is definitely a losing streak. Alright, this time. Not this time. This time. Ah, that was a heartbreaker. Again. Oh. I need to stop. My gosh. My gosh, my gosh, my gosh. Four. It's better than usual. Alright, 2 more times. After this one. Oh! Okay. One more time after this one. Okay, last time. Once again. Okay, guys, that was Flappy Bird, and I am so annoyed right now. I could just like be really mad at myself and at the game and rage quit, stuff like that. But as you can see, I've never even gotten a medal before. So thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe to Swat Lover. I'm gonna go hit my pillow.